Good morning, YouTube. It is Friday and I am back with another vlog. And as you can probably tell, I literally just rolled out of bed. I'm extremely tired. If like you can't tell, I'm so tired. If you guys don't know, I work a full-time job. So doing that and trying to get my YouTube, you know, popping, and Instagram and whatever, all the other stuff, it's making me tired. On top of trying to have like a social life, trying to have one, you know, like I just want to sleep in bed all day, but I can't. I want to vlog for you guys, so ugh. Here I am. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. This is my dog. Say hi to my dog. Say hi, Bella. Say hi. All right, she's not with the shits. Okay, that was my dog, Bella. Yeah. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do today. I'm supposed to be going to a friend's house. I wanted to record like a get ready with me or something. Not that I'm really going anywhere that requires getting ready, but who knows. I never know what I'm gonna get into, so I just always got to be ready just in case. I don't know, I'm just gonna try to eat some breakfast or something. I'm gonna try to eat some breakfast and get ready, I guess. Take a shower and stuff. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't even know what my hair is gonna look like underneath here. So I'm sure this is what you guys, this is my hair right now actually. I use the banding method at night. I do actually have a video on that, so you know, if you're curious, you can go watch that video. But my hair is like on day 6, so I don't even know if it's still gonna be like wearable. I can probably do a puff or something. I don't know. But yeah. This camera makes my skin look nicer than it is. Not nice, because it still looks, you know, like it needs help. But subscribe to my channel, you know, while we're here. So that I don't have to work 40 hours a week and then try to do this. It's making me very tired. So just subscribe to my channel, you know. Help me out so I can quit my day job. Thanks. Alright, so I've decided that I'm just going to go to my friend's house first before I record my get ready with me. I just feel like it makes more sense because I don't know. I really don't know. I told you guys I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to go over there now. This is what I'm wearing. Wait, let me move away from my messy ass beds. This is what I'm wearing, just a crop hoodie. I'm just going to his house, you know, so I'm just wearing a crop hoodie, these little leggings with some cutout knees, and then these Nike slides, you know, and then this wow, that's all upside down, and then this what do you want? What is that noise? So I just finished filming my get ready with me. I'm gonna just go outside because it's nice. It's hot, but it's nice. And the lighting, yes. But yeah, I just got done recording my get ready with me video and taking some pictures for the gram, you know. So now, oh girl, you see this highlight? I'm sorry, I'm just gassing myself right now. Yeah, so now I'm about to go out, whatever, about to go out. So I just wanted to get you updated on what, you know, what I decided to do with my day. So I decided to go to my homeboy's house first and then come back home, record all that jazz, and now I'm ready to go. So I will see you guys on the road. I'm matching with my kitchen. It's amazing.
Waste it. Potential.
This is a side on exclusive.
Sade exclusive. Yeah.
I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Then something takes over.
Where you at?
I'm at home. I'm getting ready here.
On your way here, can you buy some juice?
Alright.
Alright.
And
You know,
huh?
people out, that's right.
What?
We have to be there before 7.
Yeah, I know. Boy, I don't care about that. You said we gotta be there before 7?
Alright.
Alright.
Ooh, screenshot.
Bye.
Interstellar Beastie Boys with hooks. My list is levels, crossing mountain boost. Peanut butter trays when I was booked ain't easy with the pain that I was living. Niggas only focused on some booth. See that game that I'm forever spilling. Niggas had to clean the whole booth, but move on out them. Wait for outcomes, what move come out them. It's gonna last for hours, y'all used to out them. Jam surround sound and move around them. Nothing new about them. Y'all neglect the talent, then accept their habits. Really lack morals and sense. My team had reflected absence. We all been ghosts from those who wasn't really trying to win, and that's dead the truth. Y'all like therefore I stop you before you can even begin. And watch that as that, and what's done is done. Some niggas never really buy you when you reaching the end, and that's why they get.
I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Then something takes over.
Hey y'all, so it's Saturday at like 6 o'clock and ooh, the sun is bright. Look good though. But yeah, so I'm about to go to my homeboy's house. Same homeboy from yesterday actually. We're going to a day party in Miami. So yeah, we're gonna meet up there and then I'll drive down a little bit late. I'm running a little bit late because I forgot to buy a ticket beforehand. So now we have to get there early so that I can get a ticket and pay extra, which I'm not excited about, but whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, it's 6:05. We're supposed to be leaving his house at 6:20. I live about 20 minutes away from him. So you can imagine, who knows, maybe I'll be paying more. I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. I just want to get there. But yeah, so I'm gonna meet up with them, catch up with y'all later. I don't know when exactly, but yeah, I don't know what my hair is doing, but I kind of like it. It's kind of dope or whatever. I don't know. Whatever. I'm going with it. Yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in a second.
Wow. I'm a bona fide vet.
She's so fine, y'all. She's so fine. Spend one time for the tube. Yes.
Seriously?
Now I gotta fight niggas.
Recording?
Yeah, it should be. Does it say recording?
Yeah, you can just edit all of this extraness out. Yes!
OOTD, guys.
Girl, your booty popping.
Oh, is it?
Yes, it is. Look at it.